At their core, myths serve as the storytelling framework through which cultures communicate their foundational ideas. They are powerful vessels of tradition, illustrating how people understand their existence in relation to one another and the universe. Myths must be examined within their cultural context, which includes the historical, social, and environmental factors that shape them. Each myth reflects not only the imagination of its creators, but also the collective experiences and struggles of its community. Consider Greek mythology, which offers a rich tapestry of stories that highlight the values and beliefs of ancient Greek society. Honor and bravery, these values are paramount in many Greek myths. Heroes like Achilles and Odysseus exemplify the ideals of strength, valor, and loyalty. Their journeys often involve quests that test their courage and resolve, reflecting the society's appreciation for heroic deeds. Consequences of hubris. The Greek myths serve as cautionary tales about the dangers of hubris or excessive pride. Characters such as King Creon and Icarus demonstrate the potential downfall that follows arrogance and a lack of recognition of one's limitations. By showcasing these consequences, Greek myths impart moral lessons to their audience, emphasizing the need for humility and self-awareness. Myths also provide insight into how different cultures interpret the cosmos and humanity's role within it. In many cultures, myths reflect the belief in a pantheon of gods who influence human affairs. For example, in Hindu mythology, deities like Vishnu and Shiva represent different aspects of cosmology and morality, influencing how communities understand existential questions and purpose. Myths often illustrate the struggles between good and evil, chaos and order, reflecting the human experience. The trials and tribulations faced by mythological characters can symbolize the very real challenges that societies endure. The influence of mythology extends beyond literature and storytelling. It profoundly shapes art and social norms within a culture. The themes and characters of mythology have inspired countless works of art, from ancient sculptures to modern films. The visual representation of myths communicates cultural values and beliefs, allowing societies to convey complex ideas through images and symbols. Myths can serve to reinforce social norms and moral codes. They articulate a society's expectations regarding behavior, relationships, and justice. For example, the stories of the gods in Norse mythology reinforce community values such as honor, loyalty, and resilience in the face of adversity.